In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to join or create your friends game in Among Us on mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the game and log into your account. You may see a pop-up after signing in. Simply tap not right now or close it to continue the main screen. From the home screen, tap play, then select online. If you want to host a game for your friends, tap create game. Here you can customize your match by choosing the map, setting the number of imposters, adjusting chat options, selecting the minimum number of players, and change any other game settings you prefer. Once you are happy with the settings, tap Create Game, then confirm your selection. Your private lobby will now be created and you'll see a game code displayed on the screen. Share this code with your friends so they can join your lobby. If you're joining your friend's game instead, go to Play, Online, select Enter Code. Type in the game code your friend shared with you and tap join. As long as the code is correct and the lobby is still open, you'll be connected to the game instantly, and that's it. That's how you can easily create or join your friend's game in Among Us. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.